These ribs came out wonderful. So Vavor ended up gifting us this shawarma grilling machine. Now this machine is a rotisserie type machine. So if you're like me and you like your shish kebabs or your meat rotisserie, this may be the machine for you. So it did provide this tray here, and this is going to be great for when you rotisserie meats because all of those juices are going to land right in here, keeping it very clean for you. And it does have this nice coating on it, so it actually makes it pretty easy to get it wiped clean. So as you can see, they do provide 2 different rotisserie type sticks. One rotisserie stick for the bottom, and the other rotisserie stick for the top. Now this one's really good for shish kebabs or even sticking slabs of meat on here. On each stick they do have this groove right here. So just make sure that you have proper placement inside of this groove here, because that's going to be your rotisserie. And then the other side, you're just going to make sure that that groove is placed perfectly. Now the max temperature that it's going to reach is 374 degrees. And if you want to go ahead and turn that rotisserie on to start spinning your meat, you would just hit this button here, and that is going to start the rotisserie. This machine is pretty basic, nothing here to confuse you, very simple as far as programming of the actual rotisserie. It's literally just a button and a knob, so no confusion there. So if you're looking for a rotisserie that's built very well and is super simple to use, you may want to consider this one. It is definitely very effortless.